Within each module section, there is a lesson component called Generalization, Summative Assessment, Review. Scroll down to the bottom of each section tab to find the lesson component. The purpose of the review is to gather quantitative information by specifically measuring your understanding on topics that help to demonstrate your understanding of the goal of the section. To access the post-test, hover over the post-test link or click on it and choose the Google form. The post-test mirrors the pre-test questions. Complete the post-test and submit your response. After submission, you will have the opportunity to see your score. A score of 100% is expected. The number of attempts taken will be monitored and reviewed